Hi guys, Tim from Lumberjack here. Today we're going to learn how to close the Glenaire. Come on in. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to zip all of your windows, internal and external, closed. That just stops them from creasing when you close the trailer up. Remove your annex on the outside, put all your poles in your pole storage area, fold your canvas up nice and neat, put that in your front toolbox. Close your kitchen in, so that make sure that you don't forget to undo the water and the gas lines. And then lower the table down on the inside of the trailer. Alright, so next we want to remove the spreader bars and the upright bars on each bed end. So by doing that, you remove the clip, make the bar as short as possible, lock it in, and then just pull it to the side and the C-clamp will fall out. There's one of them at each side of the bed. And then you've got two spreader bars above you. So yet again, remove the clip, give it a quick pull, make it as short as possible, and remove it. So there's 4 of these at each bed end. Once you've removed your spreader bars, your hoop bowls can be lowered. Sometimes you might need to give them a bit of a wiggle. Make sure that you lock all of your clamps back off once you've lowered the poles down. As you did with the king size bed, on the rear queen size bed, remove the 4 poles again. Once you've removed the poles, at each bed end you do need to do your straps up on your mattress and then lower the hoop poles down. Making sure that you latch them back in once you've lowered them. Next you're going to want to remove all of your seat back cushions from the lounge area and put them down on the floor. So they're very easy to do, just a bit of Velcro that holds all of them in place. If you did want to give yourself a little bit more room down in the footwell area here, you can remove the little timber board at the back, place that underneath the rear cushion, then your table will slide all the way back, giving you more area in the footwell section. Next, your upright support bars need to be removed. Same as with all the other poles, make them as short as possible, give them a quick pull, and they go away. There's one of them on each side of the trailer. Next, you have your 2 spreaders that go to the centre pitch of the trailer. Yet again, release the clip, make them as short as possible, lock it back off. After you've removed your 2 spreader bars in the middle of the trailer, you want to open your al frescoes on both sides of the trailer. This allows the air to escape from the trailer as you're closing the lids. So there's 3 zips on your driver's side, and on the passenger side or kitchen side of the trailer there will be 2, plus you will also have your door that you will undo as you're exiting the trailer. Next we need to remove the rear hoop pole on your rear queen size bed. To do that, there are 3 buckles up the top. With your hand just push the canvas up a little bit and that'll give you easy access to undo your buckles. Once they've been done, you can lower the hoop pole down on each side, and then that will just go flat onto the lounge area. After that, you've got some Velcro in the middle here. 2 strips of that, undo that. This hoop pole will then come back towards the king size bed, and that will need to be shortened as well. Once you've shortened that, There's a pole just beside it. These will be next to each other. Lower that down. Once you've done that, it's time to make sure everything's flat in your lounge area, including the cushions, nothing sticking up. Exit the trailer, lower your canvas door, and then raise the steps up.